Hey there, my name is Darren St. James Gilbert, and I am a certified personal trainer and nutrition coach. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm cooking some protein spaghetti to meet my protein intake to reach my fitness goals to get better results. I'll tell you a quick definition of protein. Protein is amino acids linked by nutritional bonds, the building blocks of body tissues. For example, the complete protein will be fish and eggs. Incomplete protein will be fruits and vegetables. Not only protein is so beneficial to your health, but also is good for your muscle to repair after you work out completely. So, too much protein will increase dehydration and more likely to have kidney failure. So it's best for you to watch how much you take consuming. Lastly, you're not going to get enough protein if you keep eating fruits and vegetables. For real results, eat chicken, turkey, and beef. That goes with your meal. Also, my cookbook is coming out in spring 2026. Thanks for watching. Please follow my social media platforms.